What's up everybody? I'm Steven from Drum Above. This is 30-day drum meditation on day 23. Let's get into it. Hey everybody. Okay, day 23. So how it's gonna work is day 21 was the singles. Now we're going to the doubles. And now we're on day 23, you guessed it, it's the paradiddles. If you didn't guess it, that's okay too. But the point is, it's going to be dynamics with paradiddles. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge in certain ways to match your dynamics. Most people, with their paradiddles, you're going to be doing... You can hear the dynamic in the sense of you can hear the accents. But the problem is, that's not enough contrast. You want a little bit more contrast. You want the contrast to be a little bit more like, these are the small hits, these are your big hits. So, you only want to hear with everything in between. That's the idea. With the smaller notes, now we're going to try this. We're going to try very small notes, so barely hearable, right? Barely audible, hopefully. It's enough on the camera. But then we're going to go up a little bit. Then a bit more. And then just all accented. And that's it. Nice and simple. So that's how we'll be increasing. So both lead hands will be played. So lead hand, lead hand, lead hand. So it'll be change dynamics. Dynamics. So you're changing every time you come back to the right hand to lead. So right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. For those who don't know paradiddles, check out a few examples to get comfortable, but mostly we're going to be doing this at 90, so don't stress too much. It's not too fast, but it's also not too easy. Alright, let's get into this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Soft. Little louder. Louder. Change my mistake. medium soft, medium loud, loud. I can make the mistake there. There we go, much better sound. So you're trying to get those sounds in between the accents. To be dynamically changing. But I struggle without the accents. Don't know why, because I mean it's so obvious. I think it's because I have practiced my paradiddles on the minimum setting, or the medium soft as well. Okay, next one we're going to do is double time, double the amount. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Up. Up. And lock. And soft. Medium loud. Medium loud. The previous one was medium soft and medium loud. Loud. Soft. Loud. Sorry guys. Drop the stick. Loud. And loud. Soft. A little bit louder. It's a bit of a technique change when going up in dynamics. Louds. I think that's why I'm struggling there, because I'm actually finding a groove. Okay, let's do this. Medium soft. Medium loud. And loud. Soft. Stay here for a second. concentrate on making those softer notes softer. Okay, medium soft. Let's go to medium loud. And loud. Soft. I'm gonna stay here for a bit. I'm gonna end it off. So it's just a cool down. Let those hands rest. Let your wrists like just relax. 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 Sorry. Focus more than anything the accents of the and then the little notes just flow in between like textures. Let's go for 2 more. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, dudes, that's day 23. I gotta say, I found some challenges that I wanted to pursue and work out, which I felt like towards the end it was getting together. But that's actually quite a dynamic challenge, because you're now having a certain dynamic which shifts naturally when you're playing soft and loud, you know, especially when you're like. And then when you change it to, most people want to go and shift the whole contrast. So for example, your loud notes, if you're going, they're like, let's say for example, you're playing, and everyone's like, no, you got to play that softer. And everybody goes, doesn't change anything. And it's a bit sloppy paradiddle there, but it doesn't change anything because you're just keeping the same contrast between your notes, but you're making it smaller. And in terms of like the whole dynamics, I mean, like it's your loud and your soft are going softer. Where if you're keeping those notes softer, and then you can bring those up, it makes it more interesting for when you're actually on the kit. So then you can actually dynamically treat your playing around the kit. So for example, you want more contrast on your snare, because you want to get those ghost notes very soft or medium soft, and you want your toms to be a little bit more obvious about the dynamics or less obvious. You can actually now control that between surfaces, and that's the whole point of this meditation or exercise, because you can play this a couple of times and actually get quite used to it and eventually become very comfortable with then eventually zoning out to it. Right now it can start off as an exercise, so it's kind of got like a dual purpose, this topic, which I'm always a fan for, because that means you can come back and you can check it out a bunch of times, helping you to get further, even with my stick drops. Anyways, I'm Steven from Drum Above. Thank you so much for joining 30-Day Drum Meditation. It's day 23. I'll see you tomorrow.